Hey, what's up? This is Ace of X, and I got my SCX10 frame set in today. So I'm going to break down my AX10 and make it into an SCX10. So I figured, why not show you the video? Good idea there, TN. Thank you. Alright, this desk isn't clean. I don't care. The object here is it gets this thing going. So here's the AX10. I'm going to be converting that over. And here's the SCX10 frame set. Let me pop this open and I'll show you what comes with it. You get the instructions, sticker sheet, all the plastics, and the frame rails. And for those wondering, there's the part number right there, 30525. And I was worried about this, but it worked out. You do get the hardware with it. I wasn't for sure, I didn't see it in any of the pictures, but opening it up, there it is. So you do get all the hardware with it. I can't stress this enough. You have to make a good decision on this next part, or the whole build's going to go awry. Alright? Sure what I'm talking about. The music for your build is detrimental. If you do not pick the right music, the whole build could go wrong. I've narrowed it down to Dio, Iron Maiden, or Slayer. I think Maiden's it. I got faith in you, Maiden. Up the irons. Okay, I've actually had some questions about, well, not me, but I saw them on the forum at RC Sparks. The what kind of drills and stuff like that we use. Well, me personally, I got the Craftsman 4-volt lithium ion. It's forward reverse. Got the light, and then my hex set is it's an energy set. 7-piece set carbon fiber handle. It's like 26 American dollars, and then it comes with one driver for it, so you can use this on all of them. Carbon fiber handle. It makes it look really fast. Yeah, whatever. It's nice. You get 2 Phillips, a flathead, and I believe it's 1.5 through 2. Don't quote me on that. Let me look. No, 3. So you get 1.5 through 3. That's what I use. Other than my Bondus sets, I have this as well. It goes from 1.5 up. Actually, I think I lied to you again. Let's see. 1.27 up. All the way up to 5. So that's where those are. Yeah, so that's the tools I use. Alright, so there's no real clear way how to start this, so I'm going to leave the axles with the links and the shocks on. We'll see how that works out. And then first I got to get this servo off here. So Phillips. There you go. So, alright, next thing. And oh, by the way, I started this AX10 bag. I'll be throwing all the extra junk in. But now let's get the servo plate off. That's what she said. And of course the last 2 are hex. Make sure, if you do adjust it, to take one out. Adjust it back down, or you end up stripping stuff. Most of this stuff probably won't need. Alright, let's take it to them. Alright, into the bag, out of the way. I'm hoping that it has everything I need in the kit screw wise and everything, then I won't have to use any of this stuff. But if I do, it's there, so not a big deal. Now to get this frame out, Phillips again. No nuts on the back of there, so. Now this isn't necessarily the best way to do it, but it's the way I'm doing it. So I might end up finding a better way to do it because I do it wrong, so you're welcome. Alright, so that's the transmission out with the motor and the axles, everything there. Sorry about the horrible placement, but the camera's kind of up and over there somewhere. So again, probably gonna regret this later. I'm throwing everything in the bag. Alright. Not necessarily the best way, but the way I do them is I just clip the vice grips on them, so that way I don't have to worry about the backs holding with one hand and all that stuff. Now on these, so I remember what they are, I'll put the spacer back on. So that little orange spacer, I know it went to the top links. Good choice on the Maiden. It's working. Alright, so that's the 4 top links out. Someone's going to bash me probably and say, they're not called top links, they're called flux capacitors. Whatever, dude. Alright, so take the shocks out, easy enough. Just got to hold on to the middle bit. Alright, and again, I'm going to put these back together. So that way I know that's one piece. You can see how the drill is huge for taking stuff apart. It works really good for putting it together as well, but you got to be careful not to strip anything. Alright, so now that's all apart. Get the frame out of the way. All this stuff in the bag. And that takes us down to the basics. Front end, rear end, transmission. It's everything. Now we'll see how easy this other one goes together.